Okay. So, what do you want?
I want to know what you found at Subway.
Okay. Well, you see, me and my friend, Ariana, we were just sitting around, and then a car drove by.
Where'd it go?
And it threw something out the window.
And there it landed.
And we don't know what it was. It popped, though. It's moisturizing, like a lubricant on it. And we thought that it was a balloon at first, but it looked like a long balloon. And then we figured out that after we touched it, why it was lubricated. And it was because of these. And some slut. And then we realized that we had the same kind. And we thought that it was really ironic. So we thought it was one of ours. And it was. It was my ex-boyfriend who keeps all of them. Sam and son.